Hi guys, welcome back, and today we'll be making some mixed salad and some skillet grilled billfish steaks. Guys, this is a simple, easy and quick recipe you can just put together for dinner, and yeah, why not give it a try? So let's start by seasoning our fish. I did wash the fish with some lime and salt and pepper, and I'm gonna leave a link below. Let you see how I did wash the meat and the fish, and show you the basics. So these are some beautiful steaks. I did pat dry them with some paper towel, and now I'm adding some of my very own homemade green seasonings. I will leave the link below for that also. I'm using some lemon pepper seasoning. You can't do a fish without lemon pepper seasonings, right? Alright, so I also have some of my mixed seasonings that has onion, garlic, ginger powder, some dry thyme, oregano, and the list goes on and on. Everything will be listed in the description box below. Once I do that, I add some complete seasoning, and yes guys, I use complete seasonings in almost every meat and fish, alright? Once I do that, I add some black pepper up in here, and then I'm going to add some smoked paprika, which is going to help to bring back that flavor on this billfish steak. Then the mustard, you can go without mustard, which tenderizes our meat or the fish, whatever you are doing. And of course, if I don't use my hands in here, I'm not saying anything. So this is how I say it, guys. Once you use your hands up in here, you're going to get a good stuff going. Season it well, cover it, set it aside for about an hour. Now we're going to start by making our mixed salad. I have some cabbage, carrot, some kale, strawberries, some red bell pepper, and as I keep working, I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. So into my mixing dish, I'm going to add the kale, then I'm going to add the cabbage, and feel free to add any type of vegetables you want in here. Add the red bell pepper and also the grated carrot. You can also add some cranberries, some raisins, whatever you want into your salad, that's all right. I use just what I have in my refrigerator, all right? Give it a nice toss. Then I did made my passion fruit dressing, guys. If you want to see how that was being made, comment below and I will drop that video for you. So I'm going to put just a little bit up in here. And once I do that, I'm going to go toss it up nicely, making sure that everything is well combined. Once that is done, I'm going to drop some strawberry slices right up in here. And let me tell you, you can put this in the refrigerator, and just before serving, then you can just go add your little crunchiness to it. Okay, so I did my salad first because I know the fish wouldn't take long to cook. It just take about 4 minutes. So I've made my salad first because I want to have that salad with some nice warm fish. So once the salad is finished, just before serving, what you should do, add your crunchiness. I did part some pumpkin seeds that I'm dropping in here, along with some sliced almonds. Use walnuts in yours if you care to. Just add anything you want, or you can leave the crunchiness out. And look at how beautiful this is. I'll cover this and set this aside. Now let's start by grilling our fish. I have a smoking hot grilled pan here, guys. This is my skillet. So I'm going to add some oil right into this pan. And you want this pan to be extremely hot. Now I'm going to add the fish. And you want to press them, all right? You want to press them so that that grill mark goes right onto the fish. At this time, you don't want to turn this fish at all. Do not disturb the fish. Just make sure that it cooks for 2 minutes before you can disturb it. After 2 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. And you can see those marks on the fish, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. The billfish does not take long to cook at all. Press them, let them get that nice, beautiful mark. And let them cook again for 2 minutes on the next side. So after 2 minutes the fish is done, I'm going to remove them from the pan. And once I remove them, guys, it's time for me to serve my billfish steak with some mixed salad sauteed with my passion fruit dressing. Here you have it, guys. So if you're looking for a quick dinner, this meal is delicious. It is easy and quick to put together. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Give my video a thumbs up, like and share. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.